Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Muhammad Ilyas, and today in this video we are going to see one of the CSS property called position. So let's get started. Okay, CSS position, in which we are going to see few types of it. So first one is absolute, second one is fixed, and third one is relative, and fourth one is sticky. So these are the types of CSS position we are going to explore in this video. Okay, right. So I have opened a HTML file into my VS Code and also the preview in browser. So we can see directly the preview, and I have a empty div over here. So using this div I have created a simple box using like width and height and also the background. It will make a box. So let's use positioning on this box. So let's start with absolute positioning. So for that you have to write position and then absolute. Okay, then you have to mention two properties, like from top how much space you want, and from left side how much space you want. Okay, so you can use like combinations with like top and left, top and right, like, or bottom right and bottom left you can take. So let's take top 20% and from left side 20%. Okay, so now you can see it positioned right here. It means from top we are having 20% free space, and from also left side we have some space. Okay, so same thing you can change top to bottom. It will position right here, and left you can change with right. Okay, so it position right here. Okay, so you can have combinations in this way. So this is about position absolute. So let's go to position fixed. Okay, let me remove this absolute CSS, and now yeah, we have initial one. So let's apply position fixed, and from top I need like 30% and from left side I need 20%. Okay, so now you can see it also position as like absolute. Okay, so same thing, you can use like bottom instead of top, it come over here, or if you want to from right side you can just go for right side like this. Okay, so here we have one question, like what is the difference between fixed and absolute? Right. Now you can see I have added two boxes, box 1 which is red color and box 2 which is green color, and I have added some content you can see over here, and I can scroll it to down also. Okay, now let's apply position fixed and also absolute to see the difference. Okay, so what I will do is for red one I will apply position absolute, and from top I need some 100 pixel I can take, from left side 20 pixel is enough. Okay, I save this. Okay, now you can see it position from top it's taking 100 pixel, and from left side it's like 20 pixel. Okay, or else we can change it this also 100 pixel. Okay, now you can see like this. Okay, now let's apply position fixed for box 2. Position fixed, and from top I need like 20% and left also 20%. Okay, so now you can see I have applied fix for green, absolute for red. Now you can see these are coming like this, but when you scroll, the green which is fixed will not going to disappear, but in the case of absolute it's like scrolling up. Okay, so what is the difference between both of them? Like absolute will going to fix on, like absolute will going to position on the page which we have. Okay, and the fixed position will going to set on the screen. Okay, so this is our screen, and if I scroll it like this, it's set on screen, right? That's why it's not even scrolling. But the red one, the absolute one, is fixed on or positioned on the page. That's why it is scrolling. Okay, so when I scroll this, it's the red one is not uh, visible for us because it's scrolled. Okay, so this is the difference between both of them. If you use fixed position, it will be on the screen only, it will not going to scroll. Okay, but if you use position absolute, it will going to scroll. Okay, so this is the difference between absolute and the fixed position. Okay, so now we can see how sticky positioning will work. Okay, so right now you can see over here we have this header. Okay, so we have this heading and some navigation like home, about, login. Also, if I scroll this, you can see it's disappearing. But what we want is, we want this heading or this header part to be over here if I scroll also. Okay, in this kind of requirement we will have to use position sticky. Okay, so you can see what I have here is, I have this header in which I have heading and also this navigation. Okay, so you can see in the header we have this CSS. So in the header we have to apply positions. Okay, so position sticky, and from top only you have to write 0. Okay, just save it. Now if I scroll, you can see it's stick to top 0, means it's stick over here. So when I scroll it, it won't disappear. If I go back, it will come to the initial stage. Okay, so this is how sticky position will work. Okay, right. Now let's see about position relative. You can see I have added some content like heading and some paragraph, and we have this box and some paragraphs. Okay, so the requirement is I want to position this red or green box inside this box only. Okay, so if I apply, okay, before that you can see we have this structure. So box 1, inside the box 1 we have box 2 and box 3. Okay, so for box 2 let's apply position absolute. From top we need 20 pixel, and from left also let's take 20 pixel. Okay, now you can see if I position absolute I have applied to box 2, at that time what it will going to position, like where it will going to position is right here. Okay, but what is our requirement? We want this position or this box to be inside this box. Okay, this box only. So for that what we have to do is, for this parent box, okay, we can call it as this box 1 as parent and box 2 and box 3 as child. Okay, so for parent div or parent class we have to apply position relative. Okay, so by applying this, what we are saying is, this is from this box only you have to position. Okay, so this box 2 will going to consider box 1 as a parent by applying this position relative. Okay, so by default the position relative is for body tag. Okay, so this is our body tag. So every tag which you are positioned, it will going to consider body as parent. Okay, so if you change with this position relative, if you apply to this box 1, the box 2 will consider box 1 as parent and position there. Okay, so let's apply for box 3 also. Let's use position fixed. Okay, and top 20 pixel and left 20 pixel. Okay, now you can see I have this position relative for box 1, and this is box 3 is a child of box 1, but still it's not working because position fix only work with body tag. Like it will on the screen, it will going to position. Because of that, it won't see like parent tag or anything, it will just going to position on the screen. Okay, so you can't restrict position fixed by position relative, but position absolute you can do. Okay, yeah, this is about position relative. Okay, so this is about CSS positioning. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, leave a like, and also you can comment it on the video. Thank you very much.